What's up, you guys? I am out here today. This is a gloomy, rainy day today, but I wanted to come out to the park, get a little bit of relaxation going on, and to bring you guys another video. Polaroid cameras have been out for quite some time now. Back in the day, everybody used to go to Polaroid cameras for your ideal pictures and to actually have something physical that you can keep for a long time. That's one reason why I wanted to do a review on our legendary vintage Polaroid cameras. I've had these two cameras for a while now, and I also incorporate these two cameras sometimes when I'm out shooting events for clients, if they have birthday parties, family reunion, any kind of special event that people have. I always try to bring one of these cameras out so people can have something physical instead of waiting on pictures and videos coming from emails. I try to give them something kind of like a special gift, because Polaroid cameras have been out for a long time. It's very vintage. I got mine from Best Buy and Amazon. This is called the Polaroid Now. It is an instant camera that is compatible with Polaroid I-type and 600 film. The Polaroid Now, it works best with I-type film, but it also can be used with 600 film. The Polaroid Now is the world's smallest instant camera. It has an autofocus and self-timer and double exposure. It also has a built-in flash and fixed lens. The Polaroid 636 close-up instant film camera has a 116mm f11 lens, fixed focus, exposure compensation knob, and takes also the 600 film. It has a minimum focus distance of 2 feet and shutter speed of 1 to 200 seconds. It also has a built-in flash. Some people now might be a little confused about these cameras because they're not like your average cameras that's out now in 2024. But if you remember the vintage look and how things looked before we got into digital and everything, you can appreciate these cameras. Saving your history, saving your memories. I think one could love to enjoy these cameras.